I've had a lot of people ask me, how did you plan all this? And I kind of chuckle when they do, because for the first 4 or 5 years, all we were trying to do was make a living and provide for our families. There's probably more planning goes on one day now at Sebright Products than went on in those 5 years.
Well, it was back in the mid-70s, probably around 1976, that Brent and I were doing installs of compactors for a company that I used to own. And I discovered in Brent that he had the qualities that I really wanted to have in somebody that I was going in business with. We were building compactors, private label, for a company called Brask Enterprises, Dave Brask. About 1983, Dave Sebright retired out of the Army, came to work for us as general manager, and we had a lot of heavy discussions to release us from just private labeling and selling on the open market.
While I was still in the military, when I came home on leave, I worked with Brent and Lee in concrete work and installing machines and helping them out.
The end result of that was forming Sebright Products to start selling compactors throughout the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Hello, I'm Brent Sebright. Welcome to Sebright Products, where we manufacture compactors that are engineered for rugged use and long life.
We had our big win when we developed the extruder, the high density extruder, which is a piece of equipment that takes liquid out of the waste stream. And that was the first year that we realized that there was some potential for some good profit out there, because we were filling a need.
When I was competing against Sebright prior to joining Sebright, my clients, if they told me who I was competing against and they said that Sebright is who they were, I said, well, you might as well go with Sebright. They're the best of the best.
When you talk to our customers, when you talk to people in the industry, they know, and it's very common, that Sebright stands out as the best equipment manufacturer in the country.
We want to provide the best equipment that we can and provide solutions. We don't just manufacture, we try to help you, and we educate you and try to give you the best that we can.
You know, they kind of have this reputation in the industry, like they are the Mercedes-Benz of the waste industry. But I just knew if I got a chance to sell Sebright equipment, I was doing something special, right?
Sebright Products used equipment is highly sought after. Everybody knows whose it is. We strive to build a product that'll last, 10, 20, 30 years. We kind of concentrated on the long term, the long run for your money.
There's room to grow here, and they'll assist you. They'll help you grow. I can't think of a better place. You're gonna work hard, but you're gonna grow.
I really feel like we have fostered this sense of community and a sense of pride in the equipment. Everybody feels it is their name that is on this equipment. If we have a service issue on a power unit that broke when it shouldn't have, those guys take it hard. I mean, they know about it. They take ownership of everything that they have to do with this equipment.
We all try to adhere to the fact that Sebright is the name that if people hear it, they know it's quality and they know it's reliable equipment, and that we all really go out of a way to make sure that the customers are taken care of. I can with 100% assurance tell you that 99.9% of our products that go into the equipment is made in the United States. And those values that we have set, we want to make sure we take care of not just the employees, but also the surrounding area here in Hopkins, Wayland, and Western Michigan first.
If you look at the years that our machines are out there, Brask Enterprises, who was our company that we private labeled for it we started with, they can document that we got many stationary compactors that have been out in the field over 30 years and they're still stroking away today.
From the first year I was here, we've grown over 100 times. I'm proud of our relationship with the community and our customers and our employees. The employees are the ones that establish that communication with our customer and with the community that makes me extremely proud to be part of Sebright Products.
What we looked at is how to improve the customer experience, and then also how do we come up with something that nobody else has. Differentiation is what we're about.
Biggest thing I'm proud of is that our workforce is mostly all local people, and our co-workers are very, very good at what they do. I mean, without the people, this would have never happened. Anybody can build equipment, but being able to build equipment that is high quality and innovative, it takes people, and we got some of the best experts in the industry that work with us.
As you look at our vision going forward and the next 40 years of Sebright Products, it's going to be all about continuing that legacy of innovation and continuous improvement, never to be satisfied with the status quo, not accepting the answer of we're going to do it this way because it's always the way we've always done it. We're trying to continuously prove, continuously challenge ourselves, and always reaching for higher.